¿Cuántas tortitas te comes tú?
Uy, ¿cuántas tortillas me como? 6. Aldo, diles good morning. We went to the doctor's today. I'm okay. Denise está haciendo unos huevitos cociditos y tortillas de tortillas de harina.
Fister, no, es huevito con jamón.
¿Qué dije?
Huevitos cocidos.
Oh, sí,
Huevo con jamón.
Y Aldito está haciendo sus berrinches. ¿Verdad que sí, pa? ¿Verdad que sí? Y yo voy a hacer mis pepinos con ranch. So, se agarra esto y se le mete el sazón. A ver, que me ayude mi esposa. Alguien, por favor, puede traer a ese niño.
¿So qué es? Es ranch.
Ranch.
Es Hidden Valley Seasoning, ranch seasoning.
Sí. Lo miré en TikTok.
Y luego lo pones en los pickles. Pero lo tienes que dejar un día.
Sí, lo puedo hacer.
You're gonna shake it, yeah. Y lo metes al refri.
¿Era uno?
Uno.
Que se shake bien bonito.
Aldo. He's okay now. Es que no le gusta estar aquí. Ay, véngase. Hola.
Ahí está. No, lo tengo que dejar ahí. Mañana los vemos. Oh, miren, compré otra cosa, miren. Esto, fuimos grocery shopping anoche. Y no me la van a
Así
creer.
como todos andan de locos hurricane shopping, tuvimos que ir a comprar cosas.
Mientras todos estaban hurricane shopping, yo fui.
Están ahí en
Yo fui y tuve que agarrar lo más esencial de mi refri. Pepinos de Tabasco, baby.
Tabasco flavored pickles.
Tabasco flavored pickles. Pickle para pizza. Tabasco flavored pickles. You want some? A ver si quiere. Sí quiere. Buen trabajo, Aldo. Es que a la mami no le gustan los picos.
Yeah,
A mí sí, mira, si quiere, baby, mira. ¿Quiere papi? ¿Qué picos?
Pero todo mi embarazo a Sammy se le antojaban los picos y hasta ahorita el día de hoy.
Picos. Para que miren, mira, él ya sabe caminar de reversa. Dale. Dale. Es para acá, para enfrente, papi, para enfrente. Solo quiere dar para atrás. Está viendo TV.
Agua. Otra vez. So we're gonna make some chicken salad and Sammy's gonna check. These chicken breasts were
¿Aquí lo corte y que se
kind of
caiga ahí o
big.
qué?
If you want, just put it over there, it don't matter. They're really big, so we're just gonna cut them in half. It's been like 30 minutes, but yeah, I need some. Yeah, a little bit more. Dump it back in there, just so it like cooks faster, I guess.
Yeah, 'cause-
But yeah, we're gonna make some chicken salad. Sammy's gonna make it. I just like prepped all his things. So this is, I know, kind of weird. Grapes, celery, green onion. Trust me, trust the process. Right, babe? It's good.
Yeah.
Our cousin Mariah Carey gave us this recipe.
And she is a singer, if you don't know.
Mariah Andrade.
Mariah, if you're watching this, well, Michael, if you're watching this, show it to your mom. You're the only one that watches our vlogs. You're gonna be the one that ends up winning that Tesla.
So yeah, we'll show you once we're prepping it. But I mean, it's a little different. We make it a little different. Because I think the recipe needs like sour cream, but I don't have sour
¿Cómo están 3
cream.
pesos de pechuga?
4.
Where's that from?
I don't know. I think you already cut it. And
I've only cut 3
that's
pieces.
Elmo. So I just added everything that was chopped, which was grapes, green onion, and celery into here, and we're gonna add mayo and mustard and mix and seasoning. This is what it looks like. Baby just woke up. You ready to eat? He's gonna eat too. His bottle. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Bless you. We're eating our dinner. We're waiting for his dad, but I started eating because I'm hungry. And he just woke up. Hello. So, I'm hearing about this storm. Tropical storm Nicholas. So far, it has rained all day. They said it's supposed to start like tonight, the heavy rain. They told everybody like as soon as the sun sets, do not leave your house. So we don't know what to expect. We did go grocery shopping. We got some like, you know, non-perishable items. I don't know. I just pray it's nothing but, you know, hope it's not. I hope it's not like, you know, a hurricane or anything. Right now it's just saying it's going to be a lot of rain.
All right. First try without the Valentina.
It's good?
Heck yeah.
Really good. I was telling you about this movie that they need to go watch it. Kate, y'all need to go watch it. Thank you.
Snacks already start eating already. It's this, the Tabasco pickle. Ready?
Hay que mover del sur de la 45 para ver lluvia de eso es gran parte.
It's good.
La precipitación y también península Bolivia. Esperando durante
There's a little kick to it. Good though.
So does it taste like they just put Tabasco in the pickles, like with the vinegar and stuff? Or like what?
Like they actually chopped up like the dry powder of it and just threw it in there. That's what it tastes like.
That's good. 1 out of 10.
9.
9. And where'd you buy these?
Walmart.
So it's the day after the storm. I don't think we got. It was mainly just wind.
A lot of wind.
A lot of wind. Look, the fence
fell off.
But pretty much everything. I think everything's all over the place, right? Like trash and stuff.
Trash in the front.
That we didn't put up our groceries away. Our hurricane groceries.
Hurricane snacks. We can already.
Sammy's about to try his ranch pickles that he did yesterday. Let's see if they're good.
Oh, I don't know. I'm scared.
Right.
I don't know. They don't look as appetizing as I thought. Let's try these. I'm putting my hand in because I'm the only one that eats pickles.
Yeah, it's his. Nobody else eats pickles.
It's really good.
It's good?
It's good. It's like I'm eating fried pickles with ranch.
Oh, like fried, yeah, when you dip fried pickles in ranch, but without the breading.
You want one?
No.
You can barely taste the pickle, bro.
No. So we're taking a generator because our light went out at home. So yeah, that's what we're doing.
We're back home. The lights are back on. My wife's washing dishes, but in the meanwhile, I want to show y'all what I got. For my tumbler. And then I ordered what I've been wanting for the last 2 years. Heck yeah. The sidekick drive. I'll put it on my cooler right now. Yes, it go. I'm logging updated the viewers. It's like magnetic from here. And you just bring this down.